Libyan Football Federation, LFF, has voiced strong disapproval following Nigeria's withdrawal from the upcoming 2025 Africa Cup of Nations, AFCON, qualifier, originally set for October 15. Nigeria Super Eagles cited safety concerns for their decision, following a 13-hour delay at Abaq Airport after an unexpected flight diversion on Sunday. In an official statement, the LFF condemned the Nigerian Football Federation, NFF, for what it described as a lack of cooperation in organizing the match. The Libyan Federation declared its intention to pursue legal action to defend the interests of its national team. The Libyan Football Federation condemns the measures taken by the Nigerian Football Federation by refusing to play the Libya-Nigeria match, and will take all legal measures to preserve the interests of the Libyan national football team, the statement read. The LFF also apologized to Libyan football fans for the confusion surrounding the match arrangements, attributing the problems to the actions of the NFF. Earlier, the Libyan Football Federation released a video of the Libyan national team alleged bad treatment met to their team when they visited Nigeria for their AFCON match, trying to justify their revenge treatment of the Super Eagles.
When they snap us, we snap them. camera. What? See camera. Show me see camera. You see the camera.